Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Byte. Today we are covering C language basics with quick MCQs to boost your skills. Test your knowledge, pause the video if you need more time, and see how many you get right. Let's get started. Who is the creator of C language? The options are James Gosling, John Backus, Dennis Ritchie, and Ken Thompson. Option C is correct. Dennis Ritchie created the C language. In which year the C language was developed? The options are 1980, 1972, 1965, and 1990. Option B is correct. C was developed in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie. C language was developed at the options are Bell Labs, Microsoft, MIT, and IBM. Option A is correct. Bell Labs is where C was born as a system programming language. Which of the following is a valid C identifier? And the options are 1, 2, 3 where underscore name, int, void. Option B is correct. Identifiers can't start with digit or keywords. What is the correct extension of a C program file? The options are .txt, .c, .cpp, .java. Option B is correct. C source file typically uses the .c extension. What is the default return type of the main function in C? The options are void, float, int, and char. Option C is correct. The standard return type is int, indicating success or error. Which symbol is used to indicate the end of statement in C? And the options are dot, comma, semicolon, colon. Option C is correct. Semicolon is used to terminate statements. What is the output of the following printf statement? And the options are hello space world, hello world in the next line, hello world without space, and error. Option B is correct. Slash n creates a new line, so the output is printed in the next line. Which of the following is not a keyword in C? The options are auto, register, get, and extern. Option C is correct. Get is not a keyword, other are storage class specifier. This function is used to print output on the screen in C. The options are scanf function, print function, printf function, and output function. Option C is correct. Printf function is used to display output. C is a. The options are high level language, middle level language, low level language, and machine language. Option B is correct. C is considered a middle level language as it combines the features of both high and low level languages. What is the correct syntax to include a header file? Options are given below. Option D is correct way to include standard system header files in C. The #include directive tells the compiler to include the content of the header file. Angle brackets are used for standard library headers, while double quotes are used for user-defined headers. Which header file is required for printf and scanf function? Options are conio.h, stdlib.h, stdio.h, math.h. Option C is correct. stdio.h stands for standard input-output header. What does /n signify in C? Options are new character, new screen, new line, and null. Option C is correct. /n is a escape sequence for a new line. Which of the following is not a valid data type in C? Options are int, float, real, and char. Option C is correct. Real is not a standard C data type. What does return statement do in main function? Options are prints result, terminates function, returns control to OS, and nothing. Option C is correct. Return passes control back to the operating system. The maximum number of characters in a C identifier is. Options are 31, 32, 33, and 63. Option A is correct. According to the C standard, at least 31 characters should be significant. Which of the following is not a valid escape sequence? Options are /t, /n, /a, and /c. Option D is correct. /c is not recognized in C. C language is. Options are object-oriented, procedural, functional, and scripting. Option B is correct. C follows a procedural programming approach. Which function is used to accept input from the user in C? Options are print function, get function, scanf function, and cin. Option C is correct. Scanf function is used for taking user input in C. As include is called. Options are preprocessor directive, function, operator, and compiler. Option A is correct. It tells the preprocessor to include file before compilation. Comments in C begins with. As we can see, we are having 4 options. Option A is correct. C uses both single-line comments as well as multi-line comments. Which of the following is not a valid constant? Options are A in single quotes, ABC in double quotes, 123.45 and ABC. Option D is correct. ABC is an identifier, not a constant. What is the size of int in C? Options are 2 bytes, 4 bytes, 8 bytes, and depends on compiler. Option D is correct. It varies by system and compiler, commonly 4 bytes. Which one is a case-insensitive language? Options are C, C++, Java, and none of the above. Option D is correct. All are case-sensitive. What is the output of the following printf statement? Options are 2, 4, 1, and depends on OS. Option C is correct. The size of char is always 1 byte in C. Which of these is not a valid format specifier? Options are %d, %f, %s, %p, and all are valid. Option E is correct. All given options are standard format specifier in C. %d is used to print integer value, %f is used to print float or double value, %s is used to print a string or character array, %p is used to print a pointer or memory address. Which of the following language influenced the creation of C? Options are Java, C++, B, and Python. Option C is correct. The B language came before C and helped in creating the C language. Which function is used to clear the screen? Options are clear screen, clear, CLS, and reset. Option A is correct. Clear screen is provided by Conio.h, which is not a part of standard C. Which keyword is used to declare a constant? Options are perm, const, fixed, and let. Option B is correct. We use const to declare a constant in C. How many did you get right? Comment below your scores and any questions you have. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we will cover MCQs on data types and variables. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EasyByte. Till then, keep learning and keep growing.